Hello students, welcome to the grammar classes. We have been discussing about the usage of some difficult or confusing adjectives. Let us continue. Today we are going to discuss about two kinds of adjectives. We cannot say two kinds of some special adjectives. The first category is non-comparative or absolute adjectives. Non-comparative, that cannot be compared with, or absolute. Absolute means the word itself tells us that it is complete. Complete, therefore we cannot, one of its kind, therefore we cannot compare it with other adjectives, or otherwise we cannot form its comparative or superlative degrees. Here we have some. The first word is square. There are many, hundreds of words are there, but we have taken some examples. The first word is square. Can we say this room is more square or the most square? No, we cannot use it as it is. Therefore, we have to use square. Round. Can we say something is rounder or the roundest? We cannot. Therefore, we use square, round, perfect. Something is more perfect, the most perfect, or perfecter, or the perfectest? No. It's perfect. Eternal, universal, unique, dead, pregnant. So, these are some of the words we have taken as examples. So, these are the words which cannot be compared. That is, its comparative and superlative forms cannot be formed. Can be somebody is more pregnant or pregnanter and pregnantest? No. More pregnant and most pregnant? No. Universal means something which is very special. Universal fact. Unique, one of its kind, very special. So that cannot be compared. So these are a few examples we have taken. There are many words. So we can check it in Wikipedia or in some other source. You may take and look for all the words which cannot be compared. Those words are called the non-comparable or absolute adjectives. Now let us take some and any. We are very familiar with the some and any. Some and any as adjectives. We use some for positive sentences and any for negative sentences and questions. Some is used in positive sentences and some is used in questions only when the answer is expected in affirmative. Only when the answer is expected in affirmative. Do you want some more teachers? I am expecting there. Do you want some more teachers? When I ask someone, I expect the answer from that person in affirmative. Yes. Only then I put a question, or otherwise I ask the question with the some. Otherwise maybe I can use, do you need any teachers? Do you need some more teachers? If I ask, I expect the answer from that person in affirmative. Any is used in negative sentences and questions, but there is one exception. Any can also be used in the positive sentences if we use if. When we use if in a sentence, if you need any help, please ask me. If you need any money, just tell me. So positive sentences with if, that is if sentences, may take any. So there the rule gets a little changed. Otherwise we have talked that any is used for negatives and questions. But if a sentence is if or conditional sentence, when the sentence is conditional, there we can use it even in the positive sense. So some for positive sentences and some is used for questions only when the person who is asking expecting the answer in affirmative, or he is expecting the listener to tell the answer Yes. So any generally used negative sentences and for making questions. Do you need any help from me? Do you need any assistance? Do you need any money? Do you need some money? So some is used normally in affirmative sentences, generally we use it in positive sentences. Some is used in questions which are really requests. We can request someone, do you need some more tea? Do you need some juice? So here it is offer or request. Can you lend me some money? So I am requesting the person for giving me some money. So offers or which expect the answer yes. When we offer somebody, do you need some tea? So in those cases we are giving the offer request. In those cases it is a little slightly different. Some is used in questions which are really requests or offers or which expect the answer yes. We have already discussed about this as affirmative. We expect when you are asking something, you of course expect from the listener the answer yes, affirmative. Now, I have some good friends. Good friends. Simple statement or sentence. It's not a question, it is a simple statement. Here some good friends. So it is positive statement. Do you have any good friends? Here it is question. Do you have any good friends? There is the speaker, otherwise the person who is asking, enquiring the person if that person is having any good friend. So here any is used for making questions and it can also be used for making the negative sentences. No, I don't have any good friend or I don't have any good friends. So, will you have some juice? Will you have some juice here? Offer. Will you have some juice? Will you have some ice cream? Will you have some tea? So offer. When we are offering something to somebody, we can use some of that. And here, when we request somebody, will you lend me some money? So that is a request. Have you appointed some new English teachers? So here, when I am asking this question with the sum, I expect the listener to respond me in affirmative. That is yes. I am expecting an answer. That is in positive. Here, any is generally used in negatives and interrogatives. We have already discussed about it. It can also be used in affirmative sentences after if, that is in conditional sentences we can use in positive. Or if you need any help, please ask me. And the response, no, thanks. I don't need any help. Here it is negative. I don't need any help. But here it is used in the positive sentence. If you need any help, please ask me. So, positive statements can or questions can also use any, but it must have conditional clause, conditional connector. If. So, just go through these two parts today, and if you have any doubt, please don't bother. Just put in the comment box. I expect your response, and that will always be an encouragement. Therefore, go through the video properly, and if you have any doubt, just ask me the doubts. Please be frank to ask the doubts. Encourage me. Thank you. Have a nice day.